In this video, we'll guide you through how to share location information when you have no internet or mobile coverage. Launch the XTRAK app on your smartphone. Make sure you can see friend locations on the map. From the map screen, tap the View Members icon. Tap Hide to reveal Show, then select the contacts you wish to show. To share short messages, current location and favourite location pins, select the chat screen. Tap the single contact or group you want to share the location with. The message history will show. Enter a short message for context, then tap the send symbol. On your connected XTRAK Pro UHF radio, make sure you are using the same channel as your friends. Listen to make sure the channel is not busy. Then press the PTT button on the connected radio. An introductory voice message is recommended. The location information will be shared at the release of the PTT button. The current location is automatically shared with messages. View the map screen to see updated friend locations. For predefined messages, tap the predefined message icon and select the predefined message needed. To show map options, tap the locations icon. Drag the pin to the location you want or swipe the map screen to view previously saved locations. Tap the tick to select a favourite pin message, then tap the send symbol. Press the PTT button on the connected radio. The favourite pin information will be shared at the release of the PTT button.